Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Y'all, it's another thing you can do with canned biscuits, okay? And the cool thing about this one is, it's another sweet treat. Y'all stay tuned, okay? Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. And if you are just tuning in to this video and you have no clue what I'm talking about, I'm in a series of where I am showing you all the different kind of meals that you can make using canned biscuits. Yes, you can. With canned biscuits, okay? Simple, easy, quick recipes. And the idea stemmed from one of my very first videos, and y'all blew that video out of the water. Let me tell you, out of the ballpark. Okay, y'all boosted my channel, and I'm like, you know what, I think I can go with that. I think I can do more. So this is what I'm going to do. Tonight I'm doing, like I've already showed y'all two different things that you can make already. Well, tonight's going to be a sweet treat. It's not going to be the cinnamon rolls. I'm not going to redo that video. So tonight is going to be another sweet treat. If y'all know anything about me, I bake a lot of little sweet treats with my granddaughters, and I'm a sweet eater. I'm not going to apologize for that. I'm a sweet eater. So, with that being said, we're going to do a sweet treat tonight, y'all. And it's going to be quick and easy. And, yeah, we'll see. So, let's get in the kitchen and let's get started. All right, y'all, let's get started. Y'all, my name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms. And, yeah, we are going to be making a dessert tonight using canned biscuits, okay? I've already done my cinnamon roll video using canned biscuits, but like I said, if you're just now tuning in, this is what we're going to do tonight, okay? Y'all, I had leftover biscuits from a meal that I just made in a previous video. I got leftover biscuits, so I'm not having to pop open a can. If it's just two people, y'all, you can actually get these biscuits, and I think I may have mentioned this in another one of my videos, so here's a little tip for you in case I didn't. Y'all, when these canned biscuits goes on sale, now we like Flaky Layer biscuits, so let me tune in on that. We like the Flaky Layer biscuits, okay, because we like to just, my boys will sit there and just peel a layer off at a time. Just peel. Go figure, okay? Another good thing about the Flaky Layer biscuits is, y'all, I'm going to show you this. If I can get the bag open. I ain't got my glasses on. I'm going to show y'all this. This little trick. You can make these biscuits stretch a little further. Flaky Layer biscuits. Can y'all see that? Let me get here. There's a little seam right in the middle. Ta-da! You can make it. Okay, so this is what we're going to do tonight. Okay, we are going, I'm making monkey bread, by the way. Go get these, oh, let me go back to my thought, y'all. Squirrel. Go get these biscuits on sale. If it's just two people, y'all can take these biscuits out of the canister, put them on a cookie sheet, flash freeze them, okay? Then put them in Ziploc bags per serving. Like, if it's just two people and you just need 2 or 3 or 4 biscuits for 2 people, take out 4 biscuits, okay? Flash freeze them, put them in, then when they're done, take them out, then reportion them, repackage them into different meals. You see what I'm saying? Put these in a Ziploc bag, and you can only take out as many as you need. You ain't got to pop open the whole canister and have leftovers. But that's what I did because I knew I was going to be using these tonight. So that's why I didn't put them in the freezer. So we're going to be making monkey bread. Normally when I make my monkey bread, I do it in my butt pan. But since it's just me and my husband, I need to downsize and use a smaller container. So she had this on hand, so this is what I'm gonna do. And when I say y'all, we're not at home, we're on a business trip. I think I told you that in the introduction, okay? I'm using what she's got in here. Whew, y'all, it's hot. I got my oven preheating to 350. You're gonna take your biscuit and you're gonna tear off chunks. And you're gonna throw it in your pan, like that. How simple is that? You're gonna fill up your pan, just like that. Doink, doink, put you some chunks, tear them up. I'm gonna do that with all 5 of these biscuits. Yeah, and then y'all, this was biscuits. Your sauce, your caramel sauce is nothing but a stick of butter and brown sugar. That's it. Y'all, I'm using a Splenda brown sugar for my husband, okay, so he can eat these better. He likes a little sweet treat every once in a while, okay. So I am going to get these biscuits plopped in here. I'm going to put this on the oven, let it be melting, okay. Bring it back. Y'all, I apologize. I think I hit the wrong button on my phone. I did my butter and my brown sugar in here. Woo, that's still hot. And all I did was pour that sauce on top of here, okay? I think I turned my phone off instead of hitting the unpause. So there you go. You just pour your caramel sauce in there like that. We are going to put this in a 350-degree oven and let this cook, let this bake until it's done, okay? I don't know how many minutes, y'all. I eyeball it, okay? I can stick a knife in the middle of it, and if it's still doughy, it'll show on the knife. If it's not, okay? I can follow the directions on the can of biscuits because this is canned biscuits if you want to. But we're going to plop this in the oven, and then we're going to bake it, and I'm going to get it out. And guess what we're going to do? Yeah, we're going to taste test this baby. I'll be back. All right, y'all, the monkey bread is baked. We're gonna test it now, okay? This is the first time I've used her little pan. Y'all, you're supposed to flip monkey bread over to let it do that thing that it does, okay, where that caramel is on top. So we are going to try to do that. Oh, let me fix y'all to where you can see. Ah, that's hot. Okay, let me put that down. Let me try. I'm gonna move supper out of the way. That's hot too. Y'all, that's hot. Why do I do that? Okay, I'm going to move supper out of the way. Okay, I'm going to move y'all down where y'all can see this, and we're going to get this on a plate. All right, can y'all see that? Y'all are crooked. I'm crooked. Y'all are crooked. Okay, let's get this. Let's see if it will turn out and flip out like a butt pan. Come on, do your thing. I may have to help it a little bit. Oh, nope, yeah, it did it. Oh, just a few stuck, only because of the brown sugar, y'all. Look at that. Look at the caramel. Oh, y'all, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Y'all, don't pay attention to my singing. All right, y'all. Y'all know I got to do a taste test for y'all. Y'all, the reason why I do a taste test is because, y'all, I'm not perfect. We're doing this together. It may be good, it may not. So if it's not good, you're going to be the first ones to see it, okay? If it turns out good, let's just rejoice and praise the Lord together. Okay, I'm going to taste test this. And y'all too, don't get scared if something doesn't turn out right, okay? Tweak it, write it down on your recipe, know what to do better later. That's all. Whew. We're going to taste test this. Oh, this is looking. I smell it. We'll have a little sweet treat later. Hubby can eat this. As long as he moderate, because these are canned biscuits, okay? I do not want to burn my tongue on camera. Shut the front door. Mmm. I may sit here and eat this. I may sit here and eat this before I eat my supper. No, you have to eat your supper first. You have to be a good little girl. Girl, please. Give me that monkey breath. I am a sweet eater, y'all. Oh my gosh. I have the sweet tooth. I am the total opposite of my husband. He cannot have sugar. He's pre-diabetic. I'm the opposite. Hypoglycemic. I have to have the sugar to stay balanced before I bottom out. Okay? My gosh, y'all. And this is a healthier version because it's the Splenda low calorie, okay, sugar, half of the sugar. Oh my gosh. Monkey bread with canned biscuits. Yes, you can. Y'all, I'm going to let y'all go because I'm going to go enjoy this. I'll catch y'all in the next one.